I'm going to show you how I made design this design. All right, just made a few minutes ago and I thought of making this video. Okay, so for the purpose of tutorial, this design basically is a fictional birthday flyer. By fictional I mean that I don't know this lady, I just saw the picture on Pinterest and I love the outfit, I love the style, and I love everything. So I was like, okay, let me see what I can actually create from this. All right, so this, and that's the reason why I did this. So very quickly, I'm going to show you how I did this in less than 30 minutes. Okay, so sit tight as we begin this journey. If you're just meeting me for the first time, my name is Misha Kogidi. I'm a graphics designer and agriculturist by profession. So stick around. If you find this video helpful, you can as well subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. So let's get down to business. The first thing I'm going to check is going to check the image size. For you to see, the width is 946 and the height is 1280. Right, so now let's get a new workspace quickly. All right, so the first thing we're going to set it to 946 and then this is accurate. All right, so we're good to go. Now I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to upload everything that we need, but before then, let's get our background. All right, so this is our background. Okay, and this is how it's going to look like. Okay, this is how it's going to look like. So boom, so I've set our background. You all know how to set background from gallery and all that. So I'm going to pause the video now, and everything that we need for this design, I'm going to import it and we'll begin work immediately. All right, so I've successfully import everything and what everything. So I'm going to hide all of them appropriately and we'll begin work. As we continue, I'm going to show you how the whole image and everything look like. I will not hide anything from you. Okay, so for the purpose of timing, that's why we have to pause the video. So the first thing we're going to do is quickly we're going to get a shape. All right, we are going to get a shape and first of all drag the shape to the down button. All right, then click on the plus icon. When you click gradient, right, when you click gradient, you click on this plus icon. Okay, when you click on it, you can now set your color. Now watch, and so I want this top here. All right, make sure, I don't know if your Pixellab is not set like this, facing up and down like this. All right, click on this second one, it will give you like this. So you click on this first one, all right, and then change it to transparent. Okay, then this, make it pure black. That's the whole thing. Okay, so the first one, we go towards the upside like this. You'll see the reason why I did it. So all right, so boom, that's okay. So you're going to copy another one, but this time around, when you copy, click on edit and then click on the plus icon. Sorry about that. You're going to click on the plus icon. Now while you're here, try to adjust this towards here. Okay, click OK. All right, so now you're going to bring this one down. Okay, then when it's down to this point, you send it to the back. Remember, send it to the back. So now that first one now is almost at the top. You see, it will now help this top as is to what blend. So now the next thing is that you're gonna lock this one. Okay, let's arrange everything here. Okay, so I want this one to be at the top. Sorry. So lock this one. Now I'm going to copy this first one again. Copy it. Try to rotate it. Okay. Try to rotate it and then adjust a bit. Take it to this place. Then boom. We are good to go. To the back again. And then just let's arrange it properly so that we know what we're doing. Okay. Lock it. So the first image we're going to be working on is this one. All right, so this is it. Let's try to adjust and adjust. Okay, adjust. Yep, good. All right. Okay, so make sure it's at the middle. Okay, and then you lock. You lock. So the next thing is that we're going to get this image now, bring it to the front. Now this is more like a staircase. Okay, this is more like a staircase. Okay, so we're going to adjust and then increase, and boom. Okay, we're good, but before then we're going to get a sharp eraser, increase this and increase this. Try to adjust, like clean this part of it out. Okay. Alright, so after we're done with that, we can still bring it to this place. Okay, so then this, yep, this can reduce this one, okay, and put it towards this side. But this time around, you're going to rotate it. Sorry, you're going to 3D rotate. Alright, 3D rotate. But then is, I think, at the back of this, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is to get the next picture immediately, which is where's that next picture now? Alright, I think this is, no, this can't be the next picture. I've made a mistake, so I'm going to import the next picture immediately. So this this is the next picture that we need. Alright, okay, so increase a bit, and take it down. Alright, take it down there. So one thing is not right here. You see very well, something is wrong there. Okay, so we're going to copy this. Don't forget, copy, and trying to cover this up. Alright, so that we don't see that that sharp point anymore. Okay, don't worry, we're going to work on so many things here. Sorry. Alright, so now this one don't have any business with. Can you see that it's actually covering that one over there? Yeah, this one is actually covering it. So we're going to bring that one to the front, which is this, to the front of those thing there. Alright, so we're good like this. Alright, we're good. So let's increase this a bit and see. Okay, yep, so perfect. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to get an angle shape. Is that supposed to be an angle? I don't know, but whatever you call it, I hope you understand what I'm saying. And trying to lock it here. Okay, trying to lock it here. Yep, and then lock this lady properly. Then you're going to copy that again. Copy, and try to rotate it one more time. Reduce and place it somewhere here. I don't know, we're going to cross check what we're doing. If anything doesn't correspond, we're going to change it. So adjust this one and then bring it to the side like this. Okay, All right, so nope, let's yep, so good. Lock, and the next thing we're going to do now is this bookshelf. All right, this is it. So I just need the first two. First two is what I need. Was it? Yes, first two is what I need. Send it to the back. Can you see now? This was how we got what we wanted. So I'm going to lock that shelf and lock it and bring forth this image. Okay, trying to make it fit to the shelf. Okay, so all right, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to reduce and watch carefully. Now I'm going to send the image 2 to the back. All right, and reduce its saturation to 0, and then try to adjust it to fit in whatever I'm doing. Can you see now? Can you see how perfect it looks? So the next thing is I'm going to bring this one up to, all right, and but this time around I want just the face to show from this end. Okay, so just try to, all right, watch now. Okay, then send to the back as well and try to reduce, bring it downward. Don't want the half. Okay, good. All right, good. Then what, reduce its saturation to what, 0. And the next thing is, okay, there's something I didn't import, so we're going to import that immediately and we'll be done. All right, it's just 12 minutes yet. Okay, so these are the things I said. So let me hide this one first. I'm going to show you. So it's just this one now. Okay, this one first. Okay, boom. Going to copy again. Yep, copy again, and then reduce this time around. Sit on top direct, and then give it the color yellow. All right. Okay, so that's where our date is, and then happy birthday. So I'm going to pause the video now, write happy birthday and the date, and I'll show you the font that was used, and we're done with the whole design. Okay, before that, let me quickly show you how this was placed. All right, so this was increased to this level. Okay, and go to this and try to crop. Just needed this. Okay, so that was the whole work that was done there, and all right, so okay, so yep, this was the whole thing that was done. But meanwhile, the saturation also was taken down to 0. All right, so and then copied and then rotated and then brought down to, okay, and all that. So that's that about that. And the next possible thing that was done was the date and all that. So I'm going to pause, write the date and where happy birthday showed and the whole thing. Okay, so stay around and I will play it immediately. Alright, since this is it, and I just add a little space into happy, and then that was it. So now I'm going to import the former design, and then let's compare and see if it's the same thing. Okay, alright, so I think from this end below is actually the same. Yep, and above, yep, more the same. Okay, so thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. I'm so happy that you had stayed to the end. Okay, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and to subscribe. Forget, I said I don't know this lady, and I don't know if this video will ever cut across her or this design, but just know that I fell in love with your modesty. I fell in love with the beauty and all that, so I have to design this. I'm sorry that I have to use wrong birthday and all that, or to use your face as fictional design without your permission. I'm sorry.